Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and welcome to another vlog. So yesterday was super busy. I was creating a lot of pictures and videos for clients. So my house is a mess right now. Like if I turn back the camera, it's mess, so I'm gonna clean that. But today we are going to be starting that corner wall project, which I don't think I have ever talked about on YouTube, but we were in such a flow to create house projects in the beginning of the year, and then in midway we got COVID, so yeah, everything stopped. Yeah, we are getting slowly back into it because it feels amazing and I really love transforming spaces. So yeah, that's what the plan for today is. And I was filming for a food brand, so I created a beautiful board yesterday. I have never created that before and it came out pretty good actually. I'm gonna pop a picture here if it's done. And right now the board is not in its fullest glory, but I'm gonna eat that right now because I'm starving. Okay, so this this was the board which I created, and half of the things I put it back into the package because it will spoil. So I'm just gonna snack on this right now. So I used this dip. This is from Toby. It's their feta cheese dressing and dip. And this is so good. They have a bunch of different ones too. But I happen to have this one and I use this in this board. And this one goes really well with any vegetables or any crackers, anything. I really like the taste of it. And I just kept a bunch of veggies. I have like broccoli, what is this, cucumber, and then what else, cherry tomatoes, some grapes. I got like multicolored grapes, and I feel like this is such a nice idea if you are going to have like guests around, they're talking and you just want to munch on something. I feel like this is such a great idea. And if you enjoy eating meat, you can also put different kind of meat in here. And I also kept this cheese slices in it. I know the board looks very bad right now, so yeah, I'm gonna just quickly snack on this. And the house is a total mess, so I'm just gonna clean up, like just partially clean up, not fully, so that it looks presentable. Okay, let me just first clean this and then I'm gonna show you what is the project we are planning on. We are going to do the project on this wall, the pillar over here. So yeah, I'm gonna talk about it in a minute. So this is the corner which I was talking about. We are planning on doing like a wood slat wall, and then we're going to put invisible bookshelf on. By invisible, it means like once you keep the books on, you can't really see the shelf. First, we're going to paint this with a dark black color because I have a lot of black accents, and then on top of that I'm gonna put wood slats and I'm gonna condition the wood and stain the wood, place it on, and then put the invisible floating shelf on top of it. I'm recording a full separate video with every little detail, so that if you are somebody who is interested in recreating something like this, that would be helpful for you to refer in future. Guys, so it's been so long since I made chole kulche, so today I was craving those, so I'm gonna make it. For the kulche, you need to make sure the dough is well rested properly. So first I'm gonna make the dough and just keep it there so that it can rest properly, and then I'll come back and work on the chole. And for the chole, I soaked in the white peas yesterday, so it's all nice and soaked. Now I'm gonna just boil it in my instant pot, and yeah, I'm gonna write the recipe in the description if you guys are interested.
करूँ मैं?
days later. I didn't get to vlog past 2 days because my house is such a mess. We are still working on the corner project, so yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on that. Okay, first let's talk about this dress. This is so pretty. This is from Abercrombie and Fitch. I'm wearing size small and it's super comfortable, and it has a pretty cutout detail over here, and it's very comfortable, unlike other bodycon dresses which gets like super tight. Fabric is really nice and it keeps you warm, so I feel like it will be really nice even in colder days. You can wear an overcoat, a boot, but right now it's not that cold, so I'm just pairing it with flats, this bag which I showed you in my last vlog. So right now I'm gonna go to Sephora because I have to return this foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. The foundation which I used to like from Dior, you guys know what I'm talking about, I have spoken about it multiple times, that is discontinued, so I cannot buy it, so I have to try new ones. I got these two and I'm really loving this one from Born This Way. This is in the shade Warm Sand, and this one I got because the sales lady over there recommended this to me, and I knew this is not going to match me. Somehow she believed my undertone is cool. I don't know how and why, but I was like, okay, let me give it a shot, and guess what? It didn't work out. This is in the shade 9 and this is absolutely not my match. Yeah, I'm having trouble finding a new foundation which I really love. This one is okay, I'm still testing it, but I will share my final thoughts in my next coming videos. So yeah, I'm gonna be keeping this one and returning this one, and I will be also picking up Yogi because he is at his dentist today. He has his cleaning schedule for today. So yeah, let's go pick him up and then return this, and let's see. There is Trader Joe's also nearby, so maybe we'll visit there as well. Okay, so we have Yogi here. Yogi, say hello. Say hello, look here. Okay, so we picked up Yogi. They shaved his leg a little bit over here. That's where they give him injections. So yeah, his both legs are shaved. But anyway, I picked up a few stuff from Trader Joe's, which I will show you once I reach home. And I grabbed few little things, so let me do a little haul for you. Everything but bagel seasoning. This is really good, and you can use on top of anything. Like I use it on top of eggs or maybe leftover dal and rice. It tastes really good. Highly recommend this if you haven't tried it yet. Thai yellow curry sauce. This brand specifically from Trader Joe's is really good. I have tried Thai sauces from different stores, but I feel like this one is really good. I have some frozen peas, some bananas, some bread. What else? Yeah, I got this saffron, and we'll be making a lot more sweets, so I needed this. I got a gnocchi, some lasagna noodles, and this tasted really good. It's super sweet. So this is the one I got, and let me know if you have tried this. So good to snack on. And the most exciting thing I got is bunny tail grass. This will be really nice near my dining area. They have a bunch of different dried flowers. So yeah, if you are looking for something, definitely check Trader Joe's out. And the price was also really great. I'm gonna keep this away. Good morning guys, it's the next day, and today evening I have a really exciting event to attend, so I will take you guys along with me. But first I have some work in office, so I'm gonna spend some time in office, and then I will be removing the fall decor today so that we can start for Christmas. Super exciting. I just made myself a tea. I recently visited Indian store and I saw raw turmeric there, and I was like, I need it. And I started making teas with that, and it has been absolutely amazing. Basically, this has ginger, turmeric, mint, little bit of lime and honey. I used to just drink like ginger tea before, and I've started adding raw turmeric in it, and it's really good. It adds a very like earthy taste to it. This is really great to have, especially this time of the year when the weather is changing. It's really good for your throat, and turmeric has anti-inflammatory property, which I believe it's always good to have in your daily diet. As Indians, we always eat turmeric in our dals and curries, but I have had turmeric in raw format when I was back in India, but in US, this is the first time I'm having like raw turmeric. And if you haven't tried it, definitely try it out. Just make sure to add very little bit of it, because it has a very pungent and little bit of intense flavor. So start from the little bit and then add on if you need more. So yeah, let's go to the office, get some work done, and then we'll get the fall decor off and prepare for Christmas. Okay guys, so I'm downstairs and now I'm gonna remove all the fall decor and pack it nicely so that it's all nice and ready for the next year, and we can start decorating for Christmas then. I have already started shopping for Christmas. I have like a lot of stuff from last year, so I do not need much stuff. Yeah, I'm in the process. I have to like get a few more stuff. But first I figured once I remove all the fall decor, it will be all nice and we will have blank canvas to start for Christmas. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna place all the decor over here so that I can see everything at one place and pack it in boxes. And I'm just keeping the candles over here because I'm using them in Christmas decor as well. So I have everything over here. I'm gonna wash these towels and then keep everything in some closet upstairs. It was great decorating for fall this year. This was my first time and I really loved warm touches to my home. Okay guys, so we are heading to an event with Art of Living Foundation, and the founder, who is Gurudev, Sri Sri Ravishankar, is here in Atlanta, and I'm super honored to be invited for the event. He'll be leading a meditation there, and meditations with him is always next level. So yeah, I'm super excited about doing meditation with him.
Welcome to love, welcome to peace, welcome to our community.
Sudarshan Kriya, a powerful breathing technique that facilitates physical, mental, emotional, and social well-being, benefited millions across the globe in living a deeper and more joyous life.
Have only one planet Earth, and we are part of one world family. We are not just friends, we are family. Is there a way to bring people to the center where they are happy, they spread happiness, they're peaceful, they're resilient, they're ready to take challenges? Yes. Let's come to the second dimension, the breath. It is the breath that is keeping our body alive. There is a song by Rabindranath Tagore. It says, "Ek lach chalo re, walk alone when nobody follows. You will find many will follow." That is to find your inner strength. When you have a strength and you are convinced, you have that conviction, all will follow. Thank you.
Okay guys, so I'm back from the event and it was absolutely amazing. The meditation was so good and it was such an honor to speak directly to him. I'm still absorbing. Okay, but anyway, if you're looking for any yoga and meditation courses, definitely check out artofliving.org. I'm gonna leave the information in my description box down below. I have done multiple courses and let me tell you, you wouldn't be disappointed. So definitely check it out, and I'm gonna end the vlog right here and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.
You shine so